Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is going to be a hair care video because बहुत टाइम से मैंने hair care, skin care ऐसा DIY kind of video नहीं किया है. So I just thought of doing it today. And first I'm just gonna give you guys a short quick story about my hair condition, what it was few months back, because I think this is important. This is important for you to know what my hair condition was, because I'm sharing this DIY remedy with you guys, what my hair was and what it is now. A few months back my hair was literally very damaged and the hairdresser told me you have to cut your hair. There is no other option, you have to cut your hair. I was like okay, my hair is literally very damaged because I do straight my hair a lot. पहले मैंने बहुत सारे chemical treatments भी कराए थे, so my hair was literally in a damaged condition. So I have to chop my hair. I was like okay, but उस time पे ना मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि I want to grow my hair in a healthy way. It is necessary to grow your hair in a healthy way. So I was like I want to grow my hair in a healthy way. A few people told me कि henna करने से your hair grows faster and your hair actually becomes very healthy. So I was like okay, I'm gonna try this one, and ये सिर्फ henna नहीं है, इसके साथ और भी बहुत सारे ingredients हैं. I was like okay, I should try this one. So I was trying this for few months now, and after that I was really surprised that my hair was growing little by little. My hair was growing in a healthy manner. Now in this video you will not see something in my hair is now like this and after using this thing my hair is like this, because this is unrealistic and this is not possible. I just want to share this DIY remedy with you guys. I hope you guys will find this video helpful. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started.
Aside from my soul,
Okay, so the first thing that you will need is henna, of course, and here I have two options for you. One is Nupur henna, which is so famous, and another one that I have is from Khadi. Both of these works really well for me. You can choose according to your personal preference. The second ingredient you need is curd. Curd is great for healthy hair. It is excellent to keep your scalp infection free, and also it helps you to get rid of your hair related problems as well. Moving on to our third ingredient you will need is egg. Now if you don't want to use egg, you can also use banana. Make a paste first and then use it. Egg can actually help to promote hair growth and reduce hair fall problems as well, making your hair more stronger. And I know this looks really bad and like it also smells really bad. Anyways, your mixture should look something like this. Do not make it too liquidy. Now I am going to apply it. First I'm covering my t-shirt with my old towel and then I'm sectioning my hair with this tail comb and my clip. You don't need to section your hair necessarily. I am doing this to apply it more easily. First I'm applying it on my roots. I'm mainly focusing on my roots and then taking it downwards. This is pretty simple. Just apply it as you like. There is like no such exact steps for application. You obviously need to focus on your roots, then bring it downward. Like you can see how am I doing this. precaution you should take, but I don't really do it, is wear hand gloves or use a brush to apply, or else your hand is gonna look something like this. Now just wait for 45 minutes. Then I washed my hair after 45 minutes. Now if you want to color your hair, please don't wash your hair on that day. I washed my hair because I have pretty curly frizzy hair and it makes it more hard to detangle. I like to use my OGX Argan Oil serum after washing my hair. You can use any serum that you have, doesn't really matter. And this is my curly, healthy feeling hair. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking so far and I'm loving the results so far. It's the best feeling ever when you're using no chemicals, no harsh treatments, yet your hair feels good, looks good with all natural ingredients. I have mentioned everything in the description box below. Please make sure to check that out. All the serums, shampoo and the henna that I used, everything is in the description box below. Make sure to check the description box below. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.